Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, also first of all, I feel like I never really introduced myself on my channel. So if you are new, my name is Brittany. Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys stick around, and if you are not new, welcome back. As usual, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I really want to grow the channel, and I really want to do a huge giveaway once we hit 5,000 subscribers. So we have a little bit of ways to go, but I know we're gonna get there. So anyway, as you can tell by the title, today I'm gonna be doing my Sephora like fantasy basket. I kind of seen a video like this done by Samantha March. I love her videos, but I've seen her do like, it's called the what's in my 1000 Sephora fantasy basket tag. I'm gonna kind of switch it up. Mine's is not 1,000. Mine's equals to $589. I'm gonna be showing you guys what's in my Sephora fantasy basket. So if I had this $589 right now, this is what I would be buying. If I was shopping for me, this is what I would buy. So I'm going to be going that over with you guys, and maybe you guys, these products I actually really do want. I'm not going to buy them all at once, of course, but I really do want these products. So maybe you guys have already tried them and own them, and you guys can give me some insight on how you like them. But I'm just going to show you guys what's in this Sephora basket. So if you want to see what's in my Sephora fantasy basket, then just keep on watching. Summer days, I still remember your name. Summer days, sweet fragrances smell the same. The better days, just from days, even though Okay, so this is not going to be in any particular order, but I'm going to show you guys what I got in here. So one of the things that I have in here is a Fenty Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade I Quit. I've been eyeing this shade for a while. It's like a dusty, taupey type of color, which are colors that I really like. And they're on sale. I do already own some of the Fenty Mademoiselle lipsticks, but I don't own this one, but it's a color that I really would like to get. I think it would be cute on my skin tone. Like a really nice nude for me. The next product, I've been wanting to try these for a while. I don't know why I've never purchased one, but every time I go into Sephora, I see them and I'm just like, I really should buy one. And for some reason I don't. And it's the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Double-Ended Liquid Eyeshadows. It's these things from Huda Beauty. Like those things. I have been wanting to try these for a while. Okay. I've been wanting to try these for a while. And I really want it in the shade Limelight, which is like a green tone yellow and like a really bright gold on one end. Oh, sorry y'all. So I really want to try these. They are $25 each, which I feel is not bad. I'm not familiar with how they perform. I think I have to watch a few YouTube videos to see how they performed, because I don't want the gold like shimmer side to be too chalky. I don't know if the matte side will flake off. I don't know. But I have been eyeing these, and she has so many colors. I don't know why I've never bought one, but I do want to get one of those. The next item I have on here is a brand that keeps popping up on my Instagram feed, like during like the ads, the sponsored ads on YouTube. This brand keeps popping up. So finally one day I clicked on their Instagram page and I really want to try their products, and the brand is called Youth to the People. They make skincare brands. It's a skincare line, and I believe it's clean at Sephora, so it might be vegan or something. It's a clean skincare line sold at Sephora. They make Yerba, Y-E-R-B-A, Mate, because that's not how you spell matte. Mate Resurfacing and Exfoliating Energy Facial with Enzymes. I really want to try this. It looks like a face mask. This is $54. That's a pretty price tag, but I really want to get into some really good skincare, so I'm probably going to go ahead and pick that up soon. because my skin has been on a roller coaster lately. Like, actually, hold on. I got really thirsty, so I didn't get my water. But anyway, so my skin has been on a roller coaster lately. One day is good, next day is freaking out. Like, I'm ready for some new skincare products. So, and I just haven't been keeping up with my skin lately for some reason. So, it's starting to show. So, I really want to go ahead and try that. And I'm going to try to show you guys what it looks like. But that's what it looks like. I do want to go ahead and try that. The next item is really popular. I need to go pick this up. And it's crazy because I was in Sephora 2 weeks ago. And I was in line and this was at the little checkout thing and I meant to grab it and it's the Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's really popular. I know a lot of people use it. I'm desperate to try it. It's only $22, which is a great price. So I'm going to go ahead and try that as well. The next product I have is a brand that I have not done much research on this brand, but when they come out with products, I really want to try it. Tonight, I'm going to watch like a bunch of YouTube videos on it, but it's the brand Patrick Ta. I know he's a makeup artist, but I know he's had his brand sold at Sephora for a while now. They have, if you've been watching me for a while, if you've been watching me for a while, you still may not know, but I love blush. I don't wear it too much on camera, but I love blush. Like, this is like full with blush, not to mention the blush palettes I have in here, the blush palettes I have over there. Like, I love blush, and I have more over there. It's the Major Beauty Headlines Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. And this shade is called, Oh, She's Different. It's a rich plum. It's so gorgeous. Now, and it's $34. So for 2 products, I don't mind that price. Here's my thing with this product. I'm not the biggest fan of cream blush at all. I've owned some in the past and they just have not done it for me. I know like Fenty has their cream blush out now. And there was another brand that I saw that came out with some cream blushes that look pretty pigmented. But I stray away from cream blushes. But I still really want to try this. Since it's 2 products, probably just going with the cream. And if you want to amplify it, then go with the powder. I'm not sure how that'll work, but I still, this color, this shade is so pretty. Like, when I saw this, my jaw hit the floor. That shade looks like it'll fit deeper skin tones like so well. So I really want to go ahead and, I really want to pick that up. The next product is a brand called Oui. I think that's how you say oui, like in French. Or is that oui? O-U-I-A. I'm not sure how you pronounce this brand. Way? I think it's Way. I don't know. I am a big fan of clarifying shampoos. They do dry out my hair, but once I go in with the conditioner, I'm fine. I want this. So it says for all hair types. Hair concerns, oiliness, shine, flaky, dry scalp. I have very, 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 very dry scalp. It doesn't flake, but I have really dry scalp. I am natural. I haven't had a perm in about 8 years. I want to try this. The reviews are really good. It's only $30 and you get 10 fluid ounces, which I think is a pretty good size. I really, really, really want to go pick up this clarifying shampoo. And it says that a clarifying shampoo that deeply cleanses away dirt, oil, and products buildup with apple cider vinegar, while keratin helps straighten hair. First of all, as soon as I read that it had apple cider vinegar in it, I wanted to try it because I know that's really good for detoxing the scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and probably pick this up sometime this week. I really want to try this like really, really badly. So I'm gonna pick that up super soon. The next product is a lipstick in here by Milk Cosmetics. I love Milk Cosmetics. I only have one of their bullet lipsticks. I have the shade Tomboy, which is like a greenish gray. This one is called Laced. I want this one because I saw somebody on Instagram with it on and she looked really pretty with it. It's like a cool sepia, which I love color, like that's the model with it on. I love colors like that, so that'd be really cute. The next product. So I had got a free sample with my Sephora order for the Rust palette, the Milk Rust palette. I got a free sample of the, how you pronounce this? Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Why can't you put me onto this body butter? It's so good, smells great, leaves my skin smelling good. I like to have my skin nice and soft for bae. So I love this cream. So in my cart, I just have the full size of it. Because I want this body butter. And I know it's already really popular, so I love it. The next product is the, oh my gosh, I saw this on Instagram and I think this palette is so pretty. I'm kind of iffy about the palette. I still want to buy it to see if I like it, but it's the Violet Voss Sakura Blossom eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. It's $42, which I feel is a lot for Violet Voss. Violet Voss is not a brand that I'm not the biggest fan of Violet Voss. I feel like the palettes that I did have of theirs, I believe I sold them on Poshmark a couple months ago. I don't even think, I'm almost 100% sure I sold them. I don't think I have any more. I have one Violet Voss palette left. I believe I had about 3 or 4. I only have one left, which is the Flamingo palette. And honestly, the real reason why I still have it left is because I've never used it. I've never used this palette, ever. Not, like if you look, you could tell the shades haven't been touched. Never used it, never swatched it, never nothing. And I at least want to give it a go. So that's the only reason why I still have that one left. But all my Violet Voss palettes have been sold. However, this palette is gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. I will be willing to spend the $42 on it. You guys have probably already seen it on Instagram. Sorry, my nails are so busted. But, oh my gosh. It's like the prettiest coral palette. Oh my word. I want this palette so bad. Yeah. The next product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norina Electric Cake Liners that they came out with the Norina Palette Volume 4. At first, I wasn't sure if I wanted it, but I've been coming up with my mind so many cute little colorful looks. Like, if I would have had those cake liners, I would have done an orange eyeliner with this look. This look was filmed. I'll link it up top. And it'll be linked down below. I would have done like the orange eyeliner with it, or even the white. I can see myself actually using it for video purposes, so I'm going to go ahead and pick those up, and it's only $30. I also have in here a Fenty gloss bomb. I love the Fenty gloss bombs. I have 3 of them. So I have 2 colors in here. I have hot chocolate and glass slipper. Yeah, so glass slipper is like a clear, real shiny, juicy, plumpy, like princess cut from ColourPop, which I love that gloss. It's like that, and hot chocolate is more of like a brown, nude type of color. I know it will look so good on my skin tone, so I really want to pick that one up as well. Then I have in here the Pat McGrath Sublime Perfection Foundation. It's $68, but it is Pat McGrath. I really want it because I've been loving the concealer. I do have it on today under my eyes. I love this. I've been loving this concealer, so I really want to go ahead and try the foundation. And I believe Medium Deep 25 is my shade. I have to figure it out. Is that it? Okay, and the last product I have in my cart is the Pat McGrath Mothership Divine Rose 2 Collection Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette is so gorgeous. I actually really like Pat McGrath's eyeshadow palette formula. I do own one, the bronze one. I actually really like her formula, so yeah. So that's everything in my Sephora fantasy cart. Like I said, I'm leaving those products in there because I will be purchasing those products, period. Like, those are my next Sephora purchases, are all those products. And of course, if the new and exciting comes out, then I add it to the list. But some of the products I really want to get like right now. So like the shampoo and the Violet Voice palette, things like that. So let me know if you guys have you guys tried some of those products and what you guys think of them. I'm also, before I buy Sephora, I'm like everybody else, I go right to YouTube or right to Instagram and see what everybody else is saying. So let me know if you guys want, if you guys have tried those products and what you guys think of them. I hope you enjoyed a video like this. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And in the comments, let me know if you want me to do the same thing but with Ulta. And we'll just go from there. And I also want to try BeautiiBees. I've never ordered from BeautiiBees, but I do want to try BeautiiBees. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. I love you all to absolute pieces, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.